The ruling, written by liberal Justice Elena Kagan, was a setback for the administration, which had defended the provision during arguments in the case in October. Federal authorities ordered DiMaia deported after he was convicted in 2 California home burglaries, in 2007 and 2009, though neither crime involved violence. Gorsuch, in a concurring opinion, wrote that the American colonies in the 18th century cited vague English law like the crime of treason as among the reasons for the American Revolution. Today's vague laws may not be as invidious, but they can invite the exercise of arbitrary power all the same, by leaving the people in the dark about what the law demands and allowing prosecutors and courts to make it up, Gorsuch added. The Supreme Court upheld a 2015 lower court ruling that the provision requiring DiMaia's deportation created uncertainty over which crimes may be considered violent, risking arbitrary enforcement in violation of the U.S. Constitution. Reasonable people, the court issued the ruling at a time of intense focus on immigration issues in the United States as Trump seeks to increase deportations of immigrants who have committed crimes, though it was former President Barack Obama's administration that sought to deport DiMaia. DiMaia's attorney, Joshua Rosencrantz, said the decision strikes down a law that has over decades led to the deportation of thousands of immigrants. The Supreme Court delivered a resounding message today: you can't banish a person from his home and family without clear lines, announced up front, Rosencrantz said. DiMaia came to the United States from the Philippines as a legal permanent resident in 1992 at age 13. He lived in the San Francisco Bay Area. In the Federal Criminal Code, a crime of violence includes offenses in which force either was used or carried a substantial risk that it would be used. In a dissenting opinion on Tuesday, conservative Chief Justice John Roberts said the immigration law provision at issue should have been upheld. Roberts said the ruling will have significant ramifications because the same crime of violence definition is used in numerous other laws, including using or carrying firearms during a violent crime, and could call into question convictions under them. The Supreme Court heard arguments in the case on October 2, the first day of its current 9-month term. The court initially heard arguments in January 2017 when it was one justice short, but decided last June after Gorsuch brought the court to full strength to have the case re-argued, putting the new justice in a position to cast the deciding vote.